Can dermarolling actually make your hair grow back? If so, how do you have to dermaroll correctly to make it work? I dermarolled for 10 weeks and successfully managed to grow my hair back, while also gaining a significant increase in hair density. So today, I'm going to show you the correct technique to ensure the best results in the shortest amount of time. The dermaroller, also called microneedling, is a device with tiny needles that works by creating micro-injuries in the skin without significantly damaging the skin barrier. These micro-injuries heal quickly, leading to the stimulation of collagen and elastin fiber production, which can improve the appearance of the skin. Apart from being an effective way to reduce the appearance of scars, dark spots and wrinkles, it is now widely known as one of the most effective treatments for hair loss. A 2021 review found that microneedling may be more effective at increasing hair growth than minoxidil. It effectively promotes hair growth by stimulating the dermal papilla. However, using minoxidil and microneedling together is far more effective than microneedling alone. And also, to achieve the best results, there are a few things you need to consider. First, choose the right dermaroller. Choosing the right dermaroller is very important to achieve the best results without damaging the skin. Dermarollers come with different needle sizes. The correct size to promote hair growth is a needle depth between 0.5 and 1.5 millimeters. I personally use 1.5 millimeter needles. I will leave a link to one of that size below in the description. Second, dermaroll correctly. You only need to dermaroll the areas where your hair is thinning or lost already. If, like me, you have temple recession, it is enough to microneedle only in that area. If your hair loss is more severe and widespread, you can dermaroll in other areas where your hair is also thinning. To start, create a part in your hair to expose the thinning scope. To do so, you can also slightly moisturize your hair with water and flatten it to avoid the roller getting caught. This step is not necessary but convenient. Now, microneedle your scalp in the thinning areas 5 to 7 times vertically. Lift the roller and microneedle 5 to 7 times horizontally. Just apply light pressure. You will know you have done it correctly when your skin has turned slightly red. But don't worry, because these needles are so small that this process doesn't hurt much. You should dermaroll at least once a month for it to work. For better results, however, do this process once a week. This is also my personal frequency. 3 bonus tips. The first bonus tip is to apply minoxidil right after dermarolling for better results. Many studies have shown an enormous increase in hair count and hair density if you combine these two treatments together. The same can be seen in countless posts of people that have tried it. I will leave you down in the description the studies and anecdotes of people below. It is still unclear how long you should wait between dermarolling and applying minoxidil. I personally apply minoxidil 24 hours after microneedling to ensure higher safety while still getting great results. The second bonus tip is to use a Derma pen. A Derma pen is an automated microneedling device that works similarly to a dermaroller, but more precisely. With a Derma pen, you can control the speed and exact depth of the needles. Additionally, you can change the cartridges after some use to reduce the risk of infection. I will leave down a link in the description for the Derma pen I use. The only downside of a Derma pen is that it is slightly more expensive. If you decide to start with a dermaroller, make sure to clean it properly after each use. You can use rubbing alcohol, which is available at any drugstore, or simply warm water and soap. This will kill any microorganisms and make it safe to use again. Please give this video a like and comment below which type of microneedling device you think is best to use. And if you want to see my personal journey with dermarolling, click on this video. Until next time, I wish you a happy hair journey. Bye.